Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable media upload quality height on Instagram. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Imagine the scene: you're coming from an awesome event, sharing a foodie experience, or capturing an adventure and are uber excited to share an incredible video. But when you post your video onto Instagram, it ends up looking pixelated and low quality. But don't worry, you can upload with the highest quality by enable or turn on the media upload quality on your Instagram. You can see the tutorial, the video on my previous video. But what if you want to reduce your data on Instagram, so you want to turn off this feature, the high quality videos media upload on your Instagram? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can go to your profile, tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can scroll down. You'll find there is an option data usage and media quality. You can just tap on that. As you can see, there is an option media upload quality. It's turned on. When it's turned on, Instagram will always upload the highest quality photos and videos, even if uploading takes longer. You can turn off by tap on the toggle on here. So when this is turned off, Instagram will automatically adjust upload quality to fit network condition and reduce your data usage. It's so simple, right? So that is how to turn off or disable high quality upload media on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!